everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Lina. In today's video I have Birchbox July unboxing. So this is my fourth box into my 6 months subscription, and the way I do these unboxings, I do this the same as my latest beauty unboxings, giving you a little bit of a review of the previous month's box. I try to use the items because I don't have that much coming in, so I can't use the items. So I will insert a clip with June's box here. Okay, so let's see what I had in my June box and what I thought of the items. First, I had this brightening shampoo from Morning Street with argan and marula oil. This one smells really nice. It left my hair feeling fresh and clean. When it comes to the brightening part, however, it seemed to bring out the yellow tones in my hair, which I didn't quite like. But other than that, I like everything about the shampoo. Next, there was this little sample from Ultrasun. This is a very decent SPF. I liked how it felt on my face. It seems to sink in quite quickly. It does leave a little bit of a white cast, but as you massage it, it goes away. However, it didn't seem to work very well with my makeup. It seemed like my makeup was separating on my face when I used this SPF, so I only use it on its own now. Even though it does say that it's perfect for layering makeup on top, that is not true for me, unfortunately. Next, I had this Glow Illuminator from Manakadar. I don't think I like this. So the main reason why I don't like it is the texture. It just looks like it's grainy a little bit. It does blend. Okay, it does blend, but it's a little bit weird to begin with. It does give a nice glow to the face. Under makeup, I can't see it at all. It does look nice as a face highlight. And I've also tried to combine it with my foundation again. It's like it's not there at all. So it's only as a face highlight for me, or you can use it as a body highlight as well. But it's so-and-so. It's a so-and-so product. Next, I have this from James Read, the Gradual Tan Sleep Mask Tan Body. I haven't used this, as you can obviously see. And I was looking at the instructions. I don't think I will use it. It's a bit too much faff for me. I am too lazy to do self tans like this. So I think I will pass this one on. I'll give it away. And then the last thing in here, no guesses whether I loved it or not. It's this one from Nuxe, the granular scrub. Obviously I loved it because I cut the tube so I can get absolutely everything. The smell is so nice, so refreshing. It was one of those rougher scrubs, which I do enjoy sometimes, and also it seemed like it just dissolved once you rinse with water, so it's not one of those that would just stay behind and you'd have to scrub to get the scrub off, if you know what I mean. So I have really enjoyed this one. Okay, and now let's get into the unboxing, the July box. As usual, there is one item which has several choices, and normally you'd get an email asking you to pick your favorite choice. I'm still not getting the emails. But I thought, since I only have 2 boxes left, I will not contact customer service about it. I will just let everything be a surprise. So the monthly theme is self-care. Let's see what they say about it. It says it takes 21 days to form a habit, but what are yours? This month, define your version of a healthy habit. From daily yoga to your weekly self-care, these habits help to build a routine to keep you feeling the best version of you. Okay, so the first item in the box is from Scented. This is the one that we could pick between several scents. I'm sure it was lavender, this scent, and something else. I'll put it on the screen if I find it. The scent that I was sent was Be Happy, which is grapefruit, lemon myrtle, and spearmint. And this is a balm, original mind balm for pulse points. Full size of this is £14.90. I'm pretty sure this is not a full size. So you're supposed to massage this into your pulse points, which are your temples, neck, and wrist, and then take a long deep breath. I just want to smell it. Mm. I do have some perfume on, so I don't know how it's going to work. Yeah, I can definitely smell the grapefruit. I can smell the lemon and a little bit of mint. It has a lovely scent. I actually don't mind this little size. That's all that you get in there. Because I do have other things like this and I'm barely using them, so quite interesting. Next I got a lipstick. This is from My Beauty brand. And they say that this is a full size, which and costs £18, and this is the shade I got. That I say is Asia Dark Mauve. It looks like it's a very creamy lipstick, which is really nice for this kind of colors. For me anyway, I kind of prefer to wear these colors in a more satin formula, a satin finish. And it has magnetic closure, which is really nice. This creamy pigmented formula is what lipstick is all about, with a smooth application and a hydrating glossy finish that stays put. You'll only need one coat of this ruby colored lippy. It doesn't seem ruby to me. It's I think they must have gotten the description from something else. To last you the whole day, all night. Oh, I got a mask. I quite like this. From Sun and Sky, I've got the Emu Apple Super Bounce Mask. This is 10 grams and a full size is a whopping £56.90, so £57. It says that this formula contains an impressive concentration of antioxidants, 5 types of hyaluronic acid, jojoba oil, and kakadu plum. So it's supposed to protect, hydrate, soften, tackle pigmentation, and give you a glow. Yeah, pretty excited about this. I like my masks. From Daily Concepts, we have another full size here, and it is the Daily Body Scrubber. Ooh, nice, perfect for travel and for all skin types, it says on the back. Alright, so that's what it looks like out of its packaging. It's got this little handle there, you can put your hand in and scrub. And it says that it also has an indicator tag that fades when it's time to replace. I'm guessing it's this one here. It says, replace me when the writing fades. I'm guessing you can hang this as well to dry. And this costs £12.95. The last item in here is from Grace and Stella. This is a 30ml size. The full size costs £20 and it's a lavender lotion. I'm really excited. I love lavender. Yeah, I can smell some lavender. It's that more herby lavender scent, but I will try and use it. While I'm trying to rub that lipstick off, and I think it is quite long lasting. I'm having a bit of trouble. So this is Birchbox July. I'm really loving the design of the box. I actually really love the design of every box. It's one of the reasons I signed up to Birchbox. And I am quite excited, quite looking forward to trying everything that's in this box this month. If you also get Birchbox, you can let me know in the comments what you thought of your box this month, if you like it or you don't like it. I'm quite pleased with mine. I'm very pleased with mine actually. You can see what I thought of everything in here next time. Thank you very much for watching all the way to the end, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!